into le. That's why kuleyo pain leyo sekuzalwe spear of workers ukuthi ngenze sure ukuthi I take it upon my hands ukuthi kena ngidedicate isikhathi sami ukuthi kena ngifundise izingane zakwethu umthetho wama rights wabo. Okay, kubhlungu kakhulu okwenzakalayo ezindaweni lapho sisebenza khona. Ngikhuluma njengamanje kukhona abandlula ezimini ezinzima because of unfair treatments that are happening in workplaces, and they do not even have any idea ukuthi kena how can they fight back. Into ebhlungu kakhulu ukuthi lo lwazi lusase available free and usase nesikhathi usase khona emsebenzini, probably you are still happy. You do not take it serious, and you will take it serious in the day you are in trouble. And the sad thing about the psychology of that time, you are becoming more confused and you do not have time to think properly because ucabangela ukuthi kena how am I going to pay ama bills for my next upcoming month end, and ama beneficiaries wami ekhaya, my dependents, ingane zami, my wife if you have a wife, my husband, whoever, my mom, my sick mom. There are a lot of dependents who are depending on us, and they are in a very unfavorable health problems, some of them, and that come to you like a flood and you are not able to think straight, So in that time is when employers capitalize. To get away with it. So kuhle ukuthi kena njengamanje uyithathe seriously channel. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe right now so that this information come to you time to time, so that whenever you need it, you know what to do. Ngiyayibona leyo nto leyo. And into ebaluleke kakhulu kuthina, it's not financial contribution. We do not expect any of that. We do this out of the kinds of our hearts. All we want from you is support. Subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you make this channel active